So today I bought a few gadgets that I'm gonna replace my old ones. So I bought these few stuff. Eventually I'm gonna work on doing my own DIY DC load, USB DC load. I couldn't find anything, I don't know, cheap or anything affordable online. Everybody's just selling those $2,000 electronic load, which sadly I won't be paying for that. So in the process, I really wanted to get a soldering iron. So this is a fancy soldering iron. Don't know if you guys can see, type C. So this is like a portable soldering iron. So I mean, my desk is really not that big. So I just wanted something that's compact and it can work nicely with my setup. So I also had this. So these ones were actually, it's like there was a special going on. So this in total, I think it was like how much? Was it like 10 bucks, 10 USD? 10 bucks for two of them actually. So I just had to go around and buy these guys because I was really tired of using the wet sponge. So I really prefer these guys, and hopefully they ship the correct one because I can't see where they wrote color. Oh, there it goes. Black. So yeah, I bought the matte black versions, two of them. So yeah, two is better than one. So I think I can unbox these guys first, then I'll leave that one because this is gonna take a bit of time to review what's actually happening in there. I'll just review, since these things are like the same, I'll just take on one. So we have some Chinese writing on there, welding, help cleaning, some Chinese writing there. I'm sure you guys can translate it. I don't know, maybe that's the black, that's the color, I guess. Then I think this is another version. Product features. These are the product features. We're replacing what there's no need to add water. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it, nothing fancy. Let's see how big it is, because I'm really curious how big this thing is. Interesting. Nice. The quality is good. This sounds like, I don't know if it's aluminium or, but it sounds metallic. Can you twist this? Yes, you can. So instead of forcing everything through this small hole, you can actually do that. I mean, maybe the fit and finish inside is not that best, but I mean outside, I don't know. This is nice. This is nice. Anyways, now it's time to open the big boy. So this guy, I don't know if you guys wanna read the box. So display type, there wasn't marked if it's a LED or LCD. It looks like it's a LED, but yeah, it looks like a 7-segment display. I got the orange color because the black one was a bit more expensive, and I was like, it's the same thing. Then yeah, that's pretty much it. Bunch of certification stuff there at the bottom. Not much wording, which is all right. There's nothing in the box, so it comes in this lovely case. So this is like a transparently black, darkened, smoked, see-through. So if we open this up, nice small presentation. Let's see, soldering iron user manual. Please carefully read the product operation and use. I mean, this is pretty much the user manual if you guys are really interested in it. So let's see, I'm really interested in this. So this is the soldering iron, and this is a type C. I mean, I didn't pay a lot for this, so I'm actually impressed by the quality. Portable soldering iron, FCC CE. Alright, I'm actually impressed. Just gonna put that to the side. Looks like we got some starter soldering iron here, so you can actually solder a few stuff. This guy. Maybe, I think it goes like this. I think it goes like this. Yeah. Then here's like your charging cable. I might use this later. Then here's a, oh, this is a nice tip. No, this is a nice tip. If you guys, I don't know if you guys are into tip, but this is some good stuff. So I believe we just put it in there, and it's, yeah, it's okay. It's solid, solid. Oh yeah, soldering resin, welding flux. They even give you some flux. I mean, I didn't pay that much for this thing. That is nice. That is nice. That's some flux right there. So it's customary for me to actually pull out my USB charger, USB charger tester, and see what we're dealing with here. All right, so I got my trusty old USB charger tester here. So using it, I'm just gonna plug it on my laptop because that dodgy USB extension cord of mine has been acting up lately. I'm just gonna do this quickly, then yeah, hopefully we will have something for the day. Just wanna see how much it draws. So in there, we plug it in. There we go. So charging at 20 milliamps. That's a bit, I mean, that's a bit low. Let me try to turn it on. I just realized I haven't even tried to turn it on. All right, they shipped, I had to charge it for like 30 minutes. So they shipped battery dead soldering iron. But it does, you can see it says off there. So I tried to turn it on. I mean, if you turn it on, I think you have to hold it for like 3 seconds. It says temperature, and there's like a fancy light there. But because there's nothing, it won't do anything. So I'm just gonna connect this, hold it for 3 seconds. There it goes. The temperature goes up, and I like how, is it like there's like a light there, so you can solder like this. Yeah, definitely, it is definitely getting hot. So this is in real time, so this is like the speed of how far it goes. So I set it to, how much was it, to 300 degrees, and I see the battery is low, so I think that 30 minutes charge didn't do much. So in my next video, I'm gonna be building a DIY DC load with this guy, because let me show you guys a preview of what I'm gonna be working with. So I went to buy this stuff from my component store. I'm gonna use this stuff with a couple of my 10 ohm resistors. I have like 10 of this, so I'm gonna be using this some are three or four of them with these switches. Then there will be like a cable, a USB cable that actually draws a lot of current from the chargers. So that's what I'll be working with on the next video. But I just really wanted to get this guy going because I'll be soldering on this board. So hopefully this thing does. I'm really tempted. I mean, there's a screw here. I'm really tempted to open it, but I'll do that for another video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.